Pinhole sink marks are one of the nasty issues that can be found on injection molded kits. Join me in this quick tips video and I'll show you an easy way to fix those. Slapping filler around tiny details is no bueno for me, so instead I will fill the hole with some plastic cement. Then let's cover one appropriately sized stretch sprue section with the same stuff. Now we can push the sprue into the hole and add some more plastic cement, fusing the parts together. This must be left alone for a few hours so that the glue can cure properly. Next we can trim the excess sprue with the side cutters and a sculptor blade. Also, you can use a small chisel. To finish the intervention, let's use some sandpaper. In cases where not all was properly filled, we can brush some Mr. Surfacer 500 to finish the job. And that's all there is to it. See you next time, fellas!